One story of the Ramayana brings out beautiful lessons on parenting. This is the episode where Vishwamitra has come to the palace of Dasharath and he is asking for Ram to accompany him to the forest. Dasharath loved his son Ram. In fact, he couldn't live without Ram for one moment. He had planned out the entire life of Lord Ram meticulously. Vishwamitra came as an obstacle to his plans. He asked for Ram to accompany him to the forest to deal with the most powerful demons. Dasharath felt that Ram was not equipped to deal with these demons now because he was just 12 years old. But Vishwamitra had great confidence in Ram because he knew who Ram was. The clash between the two was the clash between the attachment of the father and the confidence of a teacher. A teacher can see an unpolished diamond, but Dasharath had the unpolished diamond, but he did not know how to polish the diamond. Vishwamitra wanted to not just take Ram to protect his sacrifice, but he wanted to polish Ram to give him the most powerful resources. Dasharath just couldn't understand. Constantly he kept telling about the inabilities of Ram. Constantly he kept telling about the drawbacks of Ram. Dasharath called Ram as Rajiva Lochana. Rajiva Lochana means his eyes are like lotus petals. Lotuses close when the sun sets. So Dasharath was trying to imply to Vishwamitra that Ram, he is a small boy. And as soon as the sun sets, his eyes automatically close and he goes to sleep. But the demons are nocturnal demons and they wake up in the night. How will Ram, who is going to sleep in the night, protect you? He kept giving so many arguments to Vishwamitra, telling him how Ram is not the right person to come with him. But Vishwamitra knew who Ram is. Here, in the conflict between Vishwamitra and Dasharath, Vashishta stepped in. Vashishta, he realized that there is no end to these arguments. Vashishta decided to enlighten Dasharath about the possibilities of what Ram could achieve by traveling with Vishwamitra. Vashishta said, if you want Ram to remain in the comforts of Ayodhya, you will succeed in that. But parents should not just think about only the comforts of their child, but rather should think about the elevation of their child. Many times, what is a comforting situation is risk-free. So Dasharath wanted to keep his son, whom he loved, in a comfort zone, in a risk-free zone. But the risk that he was taking was that he might end up having a son who is not satisfied. So the risk of having the lack of discomfort will be conflicting with the risk of having an unsatisfied child. So Vashishta told Dasharath that Vishwamitra had unlimited weapons and unlimited knowledge and unlimited powers. Vashishta told Dasharath that in the company of Vishwamitra, Ram and Lakshman are more protected than in the kingdom of Ayodhya. Dasharath at some point realized that he has to let go. In life, many times, parents behave just like Dasharath. They have a set prototype for their child to follow. They have a set model for the child to follow. And they have a set way of living for the child to follow. They do not try to find out what are the strengths of the child. They do not try to find out what are the qualities that a child has, which when polished can lead an unpolished diamond to become a shining jewel. That is a time when, rather than attached fathers, attached parents, one needs detached teachers. Teachers who know how to polish a rare diamond. This story of parenting is very relevant in today's times when parents enforce their desires upon the child. And that is when we need advisors like Vashishta who help the parent to think beyond their own plan making and accept higher plans.